Bobtail has launched a new version of our web app for factoring. The new look and feel allows you to send invoices faster with a cleaner submission process, follow up easily on the status of each invoice with simplified lists and categories, and move seamlessly between factoring, Fleet Card, and our mobile app. You can now follow up on the status of each transfer to know exactly when the money will hit your account, and information will now load faster thanks to back-end optimizations. Submitting a new invoice now takes just 2 easy steps. Log into your account, go to the top right side and click Add Invoice. Step 1, select the types of documents you'll upload. You can upload as many documents as needed. Step 2, fill in the load details such as broker name, load number, primary rate, and additional fields as required. You can also leave a memo or a note for our processing team if necessary. Then select Submit Invoice. You can view your processing, completed, and rejected invoices using the new tabs. You can also do a broker credit check by clicking on Brokers on the left side menu. To know if Bobtail will accept invoices for a specific broker, simply type in the name of the broker you want to review. A green check mark means the invoices for the broker are accepted, and a red X means they will not be accepted. If you have any questions, reach out to your dedicated client success team by email anytime or by phone Monday through Friday, 9 to 5 Eastern Standard Time. Thank you for choosing Bobtail. Drive safe.